YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang, man. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Maddie's Kicks, coming back at you in the shoebox. Look, I hope everybody join their day today. Y'all know the routine by now. Look, hit that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That means share this video. As well as if you want to become a part of this movement, subscribe. That's what we're here for. We're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Look, since that's out the way, bam! Let's hit y'all over the head right now. Told y'all this channel different. We got the Strange Love SB unboxing brought to you by Retro Ricky Maddie's Kicks. Let's go. This is the special edition box. This actually comes out by the time you see this tomorrow, Saturday. It's a little bit late here in Atlanta, but they come out Saturday on the sneaker app. The skate shops let them go early. So, see the Strange Love. You see the concept with the heart. You got the skeleton. Box. I know y'all want to see the shoes, but hold on. Let me show y'all the whole package. Strange Love. You got the stickers. Skeleton in there as well with the heart. Showing you that Strange Love. Sheesh. Here we go. Nike SB box. Retail for $100. You know what I say? Your neck of the woods plus tax. Came up to like 108 here in Atlanta. Size 10.5 in men's, 12 in women's. Don't worry. Your boy got more sizes. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Might let something fly. You just never know on our feed. So look. Let's put this box here. Let's get into it. Will say that's a nice red check. This check is like, what is this, velvet? It's like velvet here, up in here as well. You got the suede and nubuck material here. Right here, you got the emoji with the Strange Love. It's like a heart with the skeleton. On the back, coming around the back, of course, you got the Nike trademark up here. It's like that velvet material as well. White Nike. Coming back into the pink. And you got that suede nubuck coming to the bottom. Got the white right here on the midsole. Let's turn this baby around here. Red check again. You got the rope laces as you can see. And the inside of the tongue on this shoe, let's pull this out. Tissue paper. Before we pull that out, you got the Nike SB here. Y'all see that? Nike SB, Strange Love with the stitching. Coming across right here again with this premium material. Man, I understand they skateboard shoes, man, but look, man, y'all be careful when y'all skating these doing the tricks. You can wear these either way. You can dress these up, dress them down. I know you're going to skate in them. They made for skating. Real comfortable. Zoom right there, the cushion. This particular shoe. Got the Strange Love thing with the two skeletons. The arrow. Sheesh. SB. So inside of it. Set this one here. Of course, I was hoping, you know, your boy got a lace fetish. They give you 2 sets of laces. You got the Nike SB roped up. Then you got some flat laces here. I'm digging these laces. Speaking of laces, I forgot to show you the lace tips on these girls here. They pink, peaches. Some red markings on it. Let's move this back out so you can see you got the red check on this one. Of course, pretty much this shoe is the same besides the laces, lace bag holding here, as well as, let's do you right. You got the bottom. Both of them. Got the hearts and the bottom. It's not painted on. It's actually the inside painted on. So if you walk on it, the hearts are still going to be there. Of course, you can see the Nike SB. I like that. Like that see-through bottom, man. But back to the inside of this shoe. I was showing you, getting ready to show you the inside of this. This markings on this shoe is a little bit different. Y'all forgive me. This is what happened when you live. I don't be try to edit the videos much, man. We go with it here on this channel. Let's go. Show you the skateboard, the non-skateboard to this one. See that? Got Soulmate on it. Cushion. This how you should look in the inside. See your numbers. Y'all know what I say. Y'all can speed it up, slow it down. If y'all want to get detailed with it. So that's pretty much here. Like I say, look, man, we're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heathen content. Hey, subscribe. Trust me. We got y'all. This your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Maddie's Kicks. You know what we say around here. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Hey, hold up real quick. Let me shout out a couple of my people, man. Shout out to my guy, Fresh Goods. Fresh Goods Atlanta. As well as to my guy, man, D. Shoe Butler. Y'all know that's my guy, man. Shout out to D. Shoe Butler. As well as to Mrs. Butler. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Y'all know how we say. You know what we say around here, man. Once again, we love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Let's go. We out.